Hello children, welcome to YouTube channel that is Physics by Imagination. In this class, we will understand about what is science and what are the branches of science. Dear children, science it is a very special word. So this word we have taken from Latin language. Which language? Latin language. That is Scientia. So now here question will appear, what is the meaning of Scientia? The meaning of Scientia means to know the things. See children, science itself it tells that to know the things. Science we are using in day-to-day life very nicely. Now we are all living here, you are all seeing this one also on account of science and technology. So here science means it is going to innovate the things. In science we have broadly classified into two types. That is, first one is basic science and the second one is applied science. So before to understand about basic science and applied science, let us understand that what is science. Dear children, science means the systematic study of knowledge about matter in the universe. Means we are going to gain the knowledge. How do we gain the knowledge? Through observation, through imagination, through experimentation, through analysis. So regarding various processes, through feeling. So what is science children? The systematic study of knowledge about matter in the universe through observation, experimentation, imagination, analyzation, etc., etc., etc. is called science. Dear children, matter, it looks like a very small word, but it looks like small word, it is not a small word. It is a very vast meaning is behind it. Dear children, what is matter? Suppose if I take this marker, so is it part of matter? Yes. How could we define it? Anything which is going to as mass and have certain amount of space, that is called matter. Okay, so in the universe everything is made up of matter. Wherever you go, you can find the matter, but not in vacuum place. Now, this is made up of what? Molecules. Dear children, matter, it is made up of, that is 5 states. You know that, you studied, that is solid state, liquid state, gaseous state, plasma state, last but not least, that is Bose-Einstein condensation state. Okay, so here a solid state means what? In the solid state, what happens here? The atoms will be tightly packed and there is a strong intermolecular forces are present between them. Hence, they do not move. So we understood about solids. Come to the point, liquids. What are liquids? Here, there is a small gap between the atoms. Okay, very basic thing this is. And there is less attractive force between them. So they can easily, I can tell that, better than solids. Gases, completely free. So they can move randomly in any desired direction. Fourth one, plasma state. Dear children, this is all about high temperature. We can find in the case of stars, in the lightning, thunderstorm, there we can find that is plasma state. This is due to presence of what children? Positive ions and negative ions. It is a kind of fluid present here. When we give sufficient energy, that fluid will convert into gas. It is going to form positive ions and negative ions. Last but not least, Bose-Einstein condensation state. It means what, children? Bose-Einstein condensation state means it's all about low temperature. So just now I told you plasma is about higher temperature. Now that is Bose-Einstein condensation is all about low temperature. How much? Minus 269 degrees Celsius. And we know that absolute zero temperature, that is minus 273 degrees Celsius. Okay, so now here this is all about behind the matter. And also, children, I would like to tell you science matter. That is, you might be heard dialogue about many things, Chiranjeevi dialogue, Balakrishnan dialogues. So like that, the science dialogue I would like to tell you. So please carefully listen. That is very simple. Science is made up of matter. Okay, this matter is made up of molecules. Science is made up of matter. Matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, electrons. Dear children, in the beginning, this is the science dialogue. Science is made up of matter. Matter is made up of molecules. Molecules are made up of atoms. Atoms are made up of protons, electrons, neutrons. Actually, the concept of atom it was given by first John Dalton. He told it is made up of only two kinds of particles. Dear children, if I tell you will shock like anything. Nowadays, we have split it into nearly 400 particles in the atom, like fermions, bosons, lambda particles, mesons. Okay, so that remember science dialogue. Okay, don't forget that. Now later on, we come to the point, we understood about science, dear children. Later on, basic science, applied science. What is basic science? So what science we are going to be seen in our daily life? Suppose the rotation of earth, revolution of planets around the sun, light, sound, okay, all the things including physics, chemistry, biology. That is basic science. I can tell that fundamental science. Applied science, where this basic science is going to be applied. Example, we are using in different ways. Now we are using this light. I am doing this class under the light because applied science. I am using science. Okay, so we will use various purpose about science. That is called applied science. Later on, we can understand about physics, chemistry, biology. Dear children, what is physics? This word which has taken from Greek language, that is physis. So what is the meaning of physis? Natural phenomena, nature. Okay, so it deals with the study of energy and matter, remember, and describes what is the relationship between energy and matter. That's it. That is all about physics. The children, physics subdivided into two things, two categories: old physics, new physics. You know, you might be heard that Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi. So Bharatanatyam, Kuchipudi are all old dance. Modern dance, folk dance, Jumbo Jumbo dance, okay, Waka Waka dance. These are all modern dances. Okay, what I mean to tell you children, physics before 19th century, that is called old physics, or you can call Newton physics. So in the old physics which has much information given by, that is none other than Sir Isaac Newton. Before 19th century this is. After 19th century, that is called new physics, or we could call that modern physics. So modern physics means what? Which explained about all microscopic things, about 10 to the power of minus 6 meter. Here old physics, it has all taught about macroscopic things. And here very important point, the father of old physics is Sir Isaac Newton. Just now I told you. And father of new or modern physics is Albert Einstein. Next, chemistry. Very simple. So I am going to split the word chemi plus tree. Mystery, unknown things, means the mystery between the chemicals. We can't guess immediately. After the reactions we can find the products. Okay, so what is chemistry means? That is, it deals with the study of chemicals, their compositions, their actions and reactions with other chemicals. Again, same thing, old chemistry, new chemistry. The father of old chemistry means, I have not heard so far, very lengthy name. Remember, Abu Muzar Jabir Ibn Khan. Abu Muzar Jabir Ibn Khan. Okay, this is the complete, that is the old father of chemistry. New father is very easy. After 19th century, that is Henry Lavoisier. He invented about oxygen. Last but not least, biology. Again, I am going to split the word bio plus logy. Bio means what, children? Life. Logy means what? Study. Study about life is called biology. Okay. Now here, father of biology is Aristotle. Now here oftenly we are repeating the word father, father, father. So here, what is the meaning of father? One who contributed, devoted, sacrificed, given life towards particular field. Such persons we could call that father of particular subjects. That much only. So we should understand who is the father of science. Last concept, that is, remember children, that is Roger Bacon. Roger Bacon, very important question this is. Who is the father of science? Roger Bacon. Thank you children for watching. If you like, please share and subscribe. Thank you.